My lord, may I, my lord?
Yes.
I would like to mention one unlisted matter now. To be listed at 2, my lord.
This is
Urgent, my lord.
what
Yes,
is
we have filed.
what
fine.
is this matter about?
Yes, my lord. This execution, my lord. One, my lord, village authority, my lord. Though I am not from that village, has passed judgment against me, my lord.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Sorry.
Okay.
Right, gracious indulgence of my lord to item number 6.
Yes.
My lord, just while entering the courtroom, I got the instruction to withdraw this matter with the liberty to file press. Sorry for inconvenience to my brother Tama.
Where is the question of liberty? If liberty has to be given, I have objection.
So want to
Otherwise
withdraw?
also not maintainable. If they want to withdraw, I have no objection, but with liberty then.
Because both can go together, it appears. No, this. So okay. Mr. T.D. Dara, non-counsel for the petitioner. Somebody said he had an instruction to withdraw this civil litigation petition. To which Mr. T. Dara, non-counsel for the respondent, has no objection. They are allowed. The civil litigation petition is dismissed as withdrawn.
Fine.
My lord, kindly item 8, my lord. I am appearing for victim in this case.
Item 8.
Item 8, my lord. TCR has not come, my lord.
Okay.
So since I have battled in some other board also, so this
What
may be also. TCR has not come.
Okay. So next step.
Next step.
Yes. I'm for petitioner.
Petitioner. Okay. Right. Who is for the
This is the second day, look.
Hmm?
Today is the second day for bail hearing and Tuesday.
okay? Record was called for.
Yes, but not.
Okay.
TCR it
And,
was called for.
Who is PP?
Monday. Second.
Who appeared for the? Okay. Mr. G. Fukamlani, counsel for the petitioner is present. Learned additional PP. Mr. G. Tado.
This is political.
G. Tado submits that the trial court record. If he has not, he is yet to receive the trial court record. Stuff. Mr. Tama, learned counsel for the private respondent is also present.
Second.
He is prayed for Kama. Please this matter.
2nd March, my lord.
Okay, on 2nd March. Okay,
Monday. Highly always.
it's prayed for by the parties, huh?
May it please, your lordship.
Okay.
Lord, I am seeking your lordship indulgence for moving an unlisted bail matter, my lord. Some urgency, my lord. I could not file it on Saturday, my lord. We are filing it today. If your lordships permit, my lord, I'll take a chance today.
Bail matter.
Yes, my lord. He is in custody.
Okay, what is the offense involved?
My lord, it's 7 and 13(2) of PC Act, my lord. The co-accused has been granted bail by your lordship.
Only the record need to be called for?
Yes, must.
Okay.
Deep purpose.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of one criminal revision petition for tomorrow.
Criminal?
Revision petition.
Okay.
Okay.
May I please, Lordship? My lord, I beg to mention item number 15, my lord. Here, my lord, I was supposed to get one instruction, my lord, but I have not received the instruction, my lord.
Item?
Item 15.
Not yet received instruction.
Yes, my lord, 3 weeks time, my lord. Yeah, I need. I've taken concern, my lord.
The petitioner is present otherwise. Okay, Mr. Aydam, Planning Council for the petitioner is present. Mr. Wangwa, Planning Government Advocate, prays for further 3 weeks time. Is yet to receive instruction, 3 weeks time to obtain instruction and to file affidavit in opposition. If necessary. Okay. Let's pray for common this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
My please, lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26, lordship. In this matter, the sole respondent filed their affidavit finally. So I may be given time to file my reply, lordship.
This is for hearing.
Yes, lordship. They have filed their affidavit just recently only.
Okay. Mr.
Mr. L. Sanktam, lordship.
26.
Listen to Sankam.
Yes,
Planning Council for the appellant submits that he has received an affidavit filed by the respondent and prays for some time to file reply.
can it be on 27th, Lordship, 27th of March?
The prayer not being objected to by the Planning Council. Mr.
Tagam,
The Planning Council appearing on behalf of the respondent is allowed. Staff is requested. List this matter on
27th of March,
27 of March. Okay.
deeply black.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5. Your Lordship, item may be adjourned for today. And Your Lordship, if possible, kindly fix the matter on 26th of this month.
Lordship, this matter actually not maintainable on, not maintainable, Lordship, because what a componable offense, Lordship.
Compoundable offense.
Yes, Lordship.
It's listed for the first time.
Yes, Lordship.
Wait for some time. Let us see. Okay. Wait for some time. Hmm.
May Lordship.
Yeah.
Lordship, with consent from the other party, I beg to mention item number 20, Lordship.
20.
20, yes, Lordship. Lordship, here we will file IA for substitution as the respondent has expired.
This is only listed for referring to the mediation center.
Yes, Lordship.
You are for,
I'm for the petitioner, Lordship.
you have some, are you conversion with the matter? Otherwise,
Yes, Lordship.
have you seen that this matter was earlier dismissed?
Dismissed, Lordship.
CRP was, earlier CRP was dismissed. And then thereafter you file appeal. It was converted to CRP again.
Yes, Lordship.
But then since earlier CRP was already dismissed, it doesn't like, it appears.
Lordship, some time may be given, Lordship.
What you said, you want to file?
IA, Lordship, for
IA?
substitution, Lordship.
For implement
Yes, Lordship.
of the legal heir,
Yes, Lordship.
Of which?
Her husband, Lordship.
the respondent or petitioner?
Petition, respondent, Lordship.
You are for respondent?
No, I'm for petitioner.
Okay.
We will,
Who expired?
implement-
Who expired?
Lordship, respondent. Srimati Gautam Gongam Gai.
Okay, you want to replace her?
Yes, Lordship.
She is no more.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Miss
Vaigao, Lordship.
Wai Gao, Planning Council for the petitioner,
Petitioner, Lordship.
submits that during the pendency of this revision petition, the respondent, Srimati Gautam Gongam Gai, expired. And therefore, she need some time to file IA for implement of the legal heir of the respondent. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks. 3 weeks,
Lordship, 1 week.
1 week.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, list is as prayed for common, list this matter after 1 week. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
May, my lord, I would like to mention item number 22. Lord.
Yes.
A matter
What?
may be adjourned for today and due to leading counsel is Mr. T. Tony is out of station.
Who is?
Mr. T. Tony,
Okay. You are Miss
I miss Tanasa T. Set,
T.
SETH.
Cat. Planning Council submits that. The leading counsel, Mr. T. Tony. Mr. T. Tony, leading counsel for the appellant, is out of station, therefore pray for adjournment of the matter. She has also obtained consent from the Planning Council for the other side. As prayed, come on, list this, the prayer is allowed, list this matter after
3 weeks.
3 weeks. Okay.
Much.
May I also?
Yeah.
Recommend item number 23. Praying for exam.
The leading counsel of this case, due to some health related issue, is out of station.
You are for the petitioner?
Yeah,
Okay.
I am for the petitioner.
Yes, not, yeah, okay. You are Mr.
Sir.
Planning Council for the Planning Council submits that the leading council, Mr. Who is leading council?
Titoku,
Itapu is out of station. Out of station?
health related issues,
Okay.
some health.
Is disposed. Therefore, pray for adjournment of the matter for how much time?
3 weeks.
3 weeks. The prayer not objected. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks.
Awesome.
Okay.
Item number 1.
If I may, my lord, this is a subsequent bail application, my lord. The FIR is given as an action number 1, page number 19, my lord. To the officer in charge, Doimuk PS, Papumpari district, my lord. Subject request for registration of 0 FIR regarding forged inner line permit issued using my name, designation and fake signature. Sir, I miss P. Mary Bui, presently serving as
Yes.
CEO.
Okay. Then case
Yeah.
registered.
Yes, my lord. Case was registered and he was arrested on 15/01/2026, my lord.
30.
15/01. Sorry, my lord.
Okay. 15 January.
Yeah, 15 January, my lord. Thereafter, he was sent to police custody for 4 days, and on 19/01/2026, he has been sent to judicial custody, my lord.
Okay.
So this is a sort of, earlier we have filed a bail application before the CGM. However, there was rejected, and thereafter we have approached this Honorable High Court again in bail application number 10 of 2026 that we have withdrawn because we had made a mistake, technical mistake. Therefore, thereafter this is the third bail application.
Okay.
Now, my lord, we are seeking bail primarily on 2 grounds, my lord. That one, that a notice which is to be served under section 35(3) of the BNSS 2023 has not been given to the accused. And the second ground, mainly, my lord, is that there's no written ground of arrest, my lord, which is mandatory under section 47(1) of the BNSS 2023, my lord. Therefore, we're seeking release of the accused on procedural lapse which has been committed by the police, my lord. My lord, at this stage, my lord, my prayer only limits to the fact that CDR case diary may be called for, my lord. Scan copy of the CDR.
Still under investigation.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Hard Mr. M. Partin, Magbumpa. Partin. Magpangha, Planning Council for the petitioner. Also hard news. We can call for.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
My lord, scan copy of the
Plan
case.
additional PP for the state staff. This is an application filed under section 483 of the BNSS 2023, seeking grant of bail to the accused who has been arrested in connection with Basar PS case number 26, 2025 under section 336(3) and 342 of the BNS 2023. Data. Call for the scanned copy of the case diary. List this matter next week,
On
Next week.
9th of March.
9th March.
My lord, 9 of March will be too late, my lord. If it's possible,
When?
because this is a third bail application, my lord. 2nd of March, possible.
March 3rd.
2nd March.
Second is Monday.
Okay, 3rd March.
Okay.
Much obliged, my lord. Much obliged.
Item number 2.
Yes. None appears for the petitioner on 4. List this matter tomorrow. Okay.
Item number 3.
Same, I think.
Yes. But paper proposals is the 5. Earlier this is 5 of March, but and this is not proposed on 6.
Okay. Similar order.
Item number 4.
My placement.
Yes.
Well, this is a joint petition, my lord, for quashing of the GR case number 6 of 25, pending before the CGM 0. The accused, my lord, is the respondent number 2, petitioner number 2, man, who has been charge sheeted. It's only under the section 281, man, the race driving, man, and the maximum fine is 6 months, man. Maximum punishment is 6 months, man.
Is non-bailable?
This is non-compoundable, man.
Sorry, non-compoundable, which?
Yes, ma'am. 281, my lord.
281.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Oh, then let us see.
Now that's after this
Oh,
incident,
this is accident case.
accident, ma'am. That's
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
accident between bike and a car, my lord. And the accused is a college going student of 20 years old.
And it is in, my lord, cognizance has been taken, so no, there is no any further any order which need to be called for, my lord, perhaps, because, my lord, the recent order is in 28/1/2026, and the case is now fixed on 33/2026.
Okay.
So they have,
What do we do?
this matter can be quashed, my lord, at motion stage itself.
This is only accident case only.
Yes, my lord.
They have settled,
Yes, my lord.
Settled.
And one
compensated, adequately compensated.
Compensated, my lord. And next, settlement is at page 20, my lord.
Yes.
It's compensated, and in fact, the accused, my lord, the petitioner number 2 was riding someone else's bike also. The
Oh.
father of the accused bought that bike also, new bike also. So
So
adequately compensated.
everything, man.
compensated.
Man.
Okay. So, okay, I'll take the initial. Mrs. Okay. These are learning counsels for the petitioner. I've also had Mr. Pietro, learning additional PP for the state. Tara. This application under section 528 of the BNSS 2023 has been filed jointly by the petitioner number 1 is informant.
Informant.
Petitioner, the informant and the accused seeking quashing of the FIR. FIR dated,
FIR dated 17/10/2025.
where do I find?
FIR, my lord, is at page 10.
Page 10. Okay. 17,
10/2025.
10, 2025. Which has been registered as 0 PS case number 0625 under section 281 BNS. Trade with 185 MV Act.
Yes.
And the corresponding proceedings. And the subsequent proceedings under GR case number 113/2025. Okay. Okay. Para. The petitioner number 1 is the informant. And petitioner number 2 is the accused in the aforesaid GR case number 1123/2025 arising out of 0 PS case number 06/2025. Stop. Para the case of the petitioners is that on 16/10/2025, the petitioner number 1 lodged a written FIR before the officer in charge, police station all 0, alleging there and that while he was driving, the petitioner number 2 riding bike at a very high speed collided with his car, due to which he sustained injury and his car also damaged. No.
Car was also is damaged.
By violating the traffic rules. With his received injuries and his car also damaged. Stop. Based on the above FIR, the aforesaid police station case was registered against petitioner number 1, the petitioner number 2, under section 281 BNS. No, under section 281 BNS, they read 185 MB8. Okay, rest of the case.
Yes, madam. Only 281 is non-compoundable, madam.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So then it is, we'll say that it is adequately compensated,
Yeah,
no
yeah.
advance.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Oh,
Obliged, madam.
Item number 5.
yes.
Your lordship, I'm not the leading counsel of this matter. And leading counsel is out of the station.
In criminal, leading counsel is out of station. Your name is also there.
Yes, your honor.
Okay.
Otherwise, lordship, this matter is not the maintainable lordship because it is compoundable offense.
Oh, this is compoundable.
Yes,
Okay.
lordship. Both are compoundable offense, lordship. The
What is
fourth
that?
section.
What? Let us see the section. What is 318? 3182?
318 lordship, the cheating lordship. Breach of trust lordship.
Okay, equivalent to 30.
318 is cheating lordship and 3162 is breach of trust lordship. Both are compoundable offense. So lordship, they have also challenged regarding the issuance of non-bailable warrant.
Just a minute, huh?
Yeah.
316. which is componable.
Yes, Lordship, both are composable occurrence.
One six two. Okay. So you inform your meeting council,
Yes,
Okay.
Your Lordship.
so he has to withdraw and then should have approached the trial court. Okay. When do you want, when he's coming back?
Your Lordship, 26th of this month.
Hmm?
26th,
It's a holiday, Lordship.
26th of
this month.
this month.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you sure?
Yes, Lordship.
It's local festival, Nyokum
It's a
festival.
Nyokum
Lordship.
festival.
Yes.
That is not possible. So,
Your Lordship, any date maybe given.
okay. The Learning Council. Mr.
Elbing Day.
Learning Council. Press that this, the leading council is out of station, therefore this matter may be listed on 27. The prayer is allowed. List it accordingly on 27. Okay.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Matter number 7.
Yes. Who is for the, there is a record, whether record was called. I think record was not yet called for. None appears for the petitioner on call. However, Ms. Dean, then additional PP who is present, so it appears the record file and the trial court record would be necessary for proper adjudication of this case. Staff accordingly, hold for the scanned copy of the trial court record. Staff leave this matter after a week. Okay.
Matter number 9.
The person to the earlier entry bail, they have been arrested, bail bond executed, and we are cooperating with the investigation, my lord. Then thereafter, my lord, there is an intervention from the local representative that both the parties should resolve the matter outside the court. So therefore, like both the parties are on status quo.
Okay.
Well, kindly see this bamboo planks, my lord. This bamboo planks, my lord. In her FIR also, my lord, it is, earlier we did not file the FIR. Did not file the copy of the FIR. Enclosed.
Yeah, have you received the copy of FIR?
Oh, Lordship,
I
FPR is not there, Lordship. It's not reproduced in the GDN, Lordship.
We have also.
in the GDN, Lordship.
Actually, there was no FIR.
I'm not sub with the FIR lordship. I refer it.
Otherwise, you otherwise call for the case diary.
Yes, report, report.
Yes, record.
But FIR is not the lordship. Though it was reproduced in the GTP of lordship.
Okay.
Page number 15 is the G.
So what is the status report says? What the status report says?
May I read? Lordship?
What?
FIR lordship.
FIR is there.
The content of FIR lordship.
Okay, content is there.
Yes.
Okay.
Total,
What is
I stated lordship, they are cooperating with in this.
okay? They appeared also,
Statement was also recorded lordship.
arrested and
Like,
subsequently released. Okay, and
If,
no objection. Okay, and your
My lord, I'm appearing on behalf of the victim, my lord. I'm a lady DFO officer
okay.
in this case, and I'm the victim of the whole episode, my lord.
Ah,
I have been assaulted by the present petitioners who are before my lord
okay.
on the day of the incident, my lord.
Hmm. So
So therefore, I have certain objections in respect of consideration of the bail.
Hmm.
Since my lord, on 11 February 2026, on the basis of a tip-off regarding illegal timber smuggling on NSC Road, my lord, I have proceeded towards the location and I was accompanied by the PSO driver and the RFO, my lord. On the way to NEC Road, my lord, I have notified that there were around 30 to 40 A-grade bamboo, as well as, my lord, wooden planks lying suspiciously near the under construction building. I have verified it from the laborers, but they could not identify it. And I was leaving from that place, my lord. I was, in fact, intercepted by the petitioners. I was kicked, I was punched, and in fact, one of the forest guard, who is also a lady, even he was bitten.
Oh.
The key chains were snatched by the petitioners, my lord. Therefore, in this respect, my lord, if my lord may allow me, I'll just place a very similar kind of authority wherein the honorable court has rejected such kind of bail application, my lord. See the audacity of
you want to file objection there?
my lord. If my lord allows me, I'll file objection.
Otherwise, see the police during investigation, they have already been arrested and released, subsequently released on bail. Probably they have their statement, police statement also recorded,
Right.
cooperating with the investigation.
But they were around 30 to 40 people.
Okay.
And out of 30, 40
And a
people,
complaint was against how many
this
people?
5 petitioners, my lord.
5 petitioners.
5 petitioners.
They were identified.
Yes, my lord. And they are the eyewitness, in fact, my lord. They were assaulted in front of 30 to 40 people.
Okay. Whether the statement of the informant have been recorded?
Everything, my lord.
Informant. Just
Content of FIR is also based on correctly.
then it will be difficult to work then. Then
My lord, in this case, 2 ladies were assaulted by the petitioners. 1 driver has been assaulted by the petitioners. Therefore, my lord,
driver also.
driver was also assaulted. Key were
3
snatched.
officials.
Yes, my lord. 1 lady forest guard was assaulted. 1 lady DFO officer was assaulted by the petitioners, my lord, in this case. And there were around 30 to 40 people. Okay.
It
Therefore,
will
my
be
lord,
difficult to work under such circumstances then.
that is the reason, my lord, it would be very difficult. If the public officers are being assaulted, my lord, what would be the situation of the normal people, my lord? That is the reason, my lord, though the PP has not objected, my lord, to my humble understanding, the custodial integration of the accused as well as other who are involved in this conspiracy are required, my lord.
The material was seized thereafter. No.
They could not seize the material, my lord. They were assaulted and
What happened? Whether the police has seized the material, complained one.
Yes, no record of either of these justices. In the front page, the list of document, was it,
And my instruction, my lord, from the victim is that though there's no record as such, but they are the habitual offender. In fact, as per them, my lord, they have been constantly doing this. Well, this submission making out beyond the record is impermissible in law. And my learned friend was the public prosecutor. He knows what is the limitation and the
No, he
limitation
only,
of the counsel representing the
he
victim.
only has to assist
Yes,
the PT.
my lord, kindly see the content of the exact copy or exact content of the FIR. What has been brought before the court in the form of submission and what is narrated in the FIR is two different. A DFO, my lord, in any case, he do not have the power to enter someone's house. One, if at all, if he has to seize those materials or to do any action, it will be under the Public Premises Act. You serve the notice. So not been registered. None of these five alleged accused who are before my lords are not an habitual offenders. And nothing has been whispered in the FIR. If these people are habitual offenders, then things will take its own course of action. They are named in FIR. No, they are named in FIR. They are named in FIR, but they are not habitual offenders. And no whisper has been made with them. There is no point of Satyendra Kumar until judgment. Paragraph 38 to 40 is very clear. Once bail is granted properly, there's no point of sending them to the jail. And this is not a heinous offense as such require the further custodial interrogation. Secondly, my lord, there is nothing to be seized. And these people are not very influential where they can influence the investigators. Manoj, may I request one thing?
Yes,
Kindly come the excerpt of the FIR copy.
just a minute. Huh?
In that.
What is the name of the informant?
Suman Beniwal, PEFO, Kelong Forest Division, 34 years old. Her father is, her father is the sitting MP and minister in the central government. And it is only nothing but born out of an ego. They don't know how the travel sentiment works here.
So this is, say, the assault is separate incident
Yes,
apart from those.
yes, separate.
So separate, because thereafter it was settled only.
Yes.
Then when they were leaving, then this started, probably because of some other,
But exactly, it is not like that. That Ballot will kindly come to this.
because when they were leaving,
No, Ballot.
then this assault
No,
started.
No, Ballot. That assault never took place, Ballot. I demonstrate from the FIR.
No, the statement,
Yes,
from the statement.
yes, yes.
In the FIR also, they said that he assaulted.
The lady IFS was twice punched by the petitioner,
Yes.
and there was other person who has kicked her. And the guard, forest guard, was assaulted,
Mm.
and the driver was also beaten up, and the key was taken away, my lord. And for that is a reason, my lord, proper interrogation would be required, my lord.
Now, the investigation is required. Interrogation, because the injury must be a simple only. There must
But
be no injury.
No injury.
In such circumstances, my lord, it would be difficult for the public
But then
officials.
it's a kind of a threatening to the officer who performed duty.
No, my lord, exactly it is not like,
Mm.
from the content of the FIR.
Now, we
itself.
could understand because the situation is that was found and when it was noticed and when we were waiting for the other officers. But then in the meantime, DFO Paket Tiger told them that it was, and then he paid, and thereafter they were actually leaving the spot. Thereafter only the things happened.
No, no, my lord.
And then so many people
No, no,
gathered.
thereafter, my lord, kindly.
This is only a threatening
No, no.
to
no,
the
my lord.
officer who is performing the duty.
My lord, I respectfully bow down,
Hmm.
what is calling from the fact or
Hmm.
my lord's opinion. But then I read this paragraph, one paragraph of the FIR,
Hmm.
I have the copy.
Hmm.
In nothing as such, my lord. That after this incident, my lord, see, the police personnel of Sejusa police station, kindly see,
You are reading
paragraph, third paragraph of the exact of the FIR.
of the FIR.
Yes.
There is no FIR, but gist.
Just. Well, I passed it over. If my lord allows me.
Okay, FIR. Okay.
Well,
I think,
third
okay,
para-
okay, this is, yes.
Third para, the last. That after this incident,
Hmm.
there is a sentence after that.
Yes.
That after this incident, the police personnel of Sejusa police station, led by officer Wilson, that after this incident, the police personnel of Sejusa police station, led by OC police station team Sejusa, and two staff members of Pakke Tiger Reserve named Vinod Maji and Gopi Kido had arrived at the place of occurrence. Thereafter, a long discussion, kindly see. Thereafter, a long discussion was made between the police and the Gadarbo and the forest wildlife department staff, where they had asked me to be there at 1500 hours, that's 3 p.m. But I apologize one thing, the minute of the ADC, we have obtained it, but I forgot to bring. For further discussions at the office of the ADC Sejusa, where I had intimidated them that I am on duty and I have to reverse NEC road, as I have received an information regarding smuggling of timber at NEC road, and I have to go there to take them. However, instead of hearing me, they had stopped me there and also stopped me to perform my duty, which seems to be intentional and threaten me to be there till 1500 hours. For further discussion and to resolve the matter. That as I was getting late, so I have requested them to let me go and also assured them that I will be back after my duty. However, they refused to let me go from there. It was only to announce. And the more not letting me to go NEC road. Therefore, I was already late and without any also I announced my chief had left Sejusa. That as per, Lord, if somebody was deterring from performing the duty, one thing. And then, Lord, that's why in my kindly see, my lord. The matter was resolved, my lord. The FIR was filed after 1 day, after a much thought, my lord. The incident occurred, my lord have this. Incident was 11/2/2022, my lord. It was
36.
9:50 hours, my lord. Then it was informed to the police on 12/2/2026. And then, my lord, kind of have this. Well, kindly come to page 15 of my bail application.
Just a minute, sir. No,
It was resolved. The matter was resolved in presence of the ADC Sejusa. And thereafter, on 12th, my lord, at 10:30 a.m., the DFO invited herself to us. We went down, we met, we discussed. The matter was resolved there. I have made a categorical statement. And thereafter, only this FIR was filed. Now, those people who think that the meeting was also been made as an accused.
No, so the third paragraph is about the assault. You have read the fourth paragraph.
No, but that incident, everything.
Hmm.
If I have to make a legal interpretation, you know, at least if there is an assault, number one, what is the nature of that assault? Was it very grievous, very hurt? And it will be discernible from
Punch and kick. See?
No, no.
Hmm.
Milord, kindly see, these cannot be taken as a gospel truth, Milord.
There is a reason, my lord, custodial interrogation would be required because they won't be, in fact, revealing anything before the investigation. And it's a matter of the pride, and it's a matter of an officer who was performing her duty. Two lady officers, man, and one the driver. They were being assaulted by 30, 40 in front of 30,
It will
40
be
people.
difficult to work in that case,
My lord.
under the circumstances.
My lord, these offences are being considered as a serious offence, my lord. And if my lord allows me, I'll just place a short authority without going through much, my lord. Only one observation, man.
Yes.
If my lord may
What
kindly
is
have.
that?
Though it's not binding upon this honorable court, but I'll just refer only one paragraph. If I may read para 4, my lord. Yes.
Yes.
My lord, the FIR is lodged by Police Constable Dinkal Nilake. He has stated that the spread of corona was declared as a pandemic worldwide. At the relevant time, the Police Commissioner of Mumbai had imposed restraining orders on 29/6/2020 at about 10:45 p.m. The first informant and others remained present on their duty. He was accompanied by Police Constable so-and-so. While they were patrolling in the jurisdiction of Gurgaon Police Station, it was observed that in room number so-and-so, Housing Society, Mithanagar, so-and-so, the grocery articles were sold from the residential premises. The informant went there and asked the owner to close the shop. At that time, the applicant Khwaja was not wearing a mask. He was asked to wear a mask. Khwaja refused to wear the mask and refused to close the shop, and instead abused the first informant. Khwaja pushed the first informant. He snatched the wooden stick which the informant was carrying and assaulted the informant himself. At that time, the other applicant Malang, who is the father of the applicant Khwaja, abused him and beat him as well. The information was given to PI so-and-so. He came there. By that time, both accused had left the place, and thereafter this FIR was lodged. Now, my lord, observation para 8, my lord, kindly see. May I read, my lord? Para 8. I have considered all this submission from the affidavit filed by the investigating officer. It can be seen that they are independent eyewitness. In this case also, there is an independent eyewitness, my lord, to the incident, and they have identified both the accused as the assailant. The CCTV footage was shown to the witness Tushar Satam. He has also identified both the applicant. Therefore, at this stage, the submission of the learned counsel for the applicant cannot be taken into account that the applicant Khwaja was not present at the spot when the incident occurred. The offense is serious. The public servant carrying out his duty in the interest of society was assaulted, and this fact cannot be tolerated. Therefore, applicant Khwaja does not deserve any protection, considering the gravity of the offense, my lord. It's a similarly situated case, my lord. One IFS lady officer has been assaulted. One forest guard who was a lady was assaulted. The driver was assaulted, my lord. This cannot be taken in. Are being granted, my lord. It would set an example, man. in
The
society.
police has recorded the statement. What is the name of that? We can just, we are in, interesting, isn't it? Whether the statement of the accused was recorded.
Is that accused as well as witness also. Witness is also recorded.
You want to file objection?
If my lord allows me, I'll file objection.
Otherwise, since the bail has already been granted, but
Well,
the other
objection-
stringent condition can be imposed.
Objection may not be required, my lord. Objection in written may not be required. On the basis of my submission, my lord may kindly dispose of.
No, but my lord, kindly his statement is later recorded. There is a young man coming up. The client might think otherwise. That is his lead cover.
Hmm?
No. Normally, my lord,
Hmm.
Satyendra Kumar until judgment is very clear.
Hmm.
Once bail is granted, accused is cooperative with the investigation.
No, bail was granted in absence of the records. It was,
That's why, my lord.
hmm.
Now everything is before my lord. The statement of the accused as well. The statement of the victim, complainant victim as well is there. So what is the requirement of sending them to a custodial information? And the incident has occurred, not occurred in the forest reserve area. One, kindly see, appreciate this. One. Number two, they all had a meeting thereafter, and two meetings has taken place. Two meetings had taken place.
That was after assault only.
No, Milord. No assault was there. Kindly see their statement. There was no assault.
No, as per the statement of the accused,
No.
sorry,
Milord,
the
that is-
victim.
That's why, Milord, that is subject matter of trial by
The
medical.
accused will always say that there was no assault. But see, that is the dispute which needs to be resolved
Fine, Milord, then
from the independent witnesses.
My lord has rightly observed, my lord, the protection was granted when there was no record as such before this honorable.
Mhm.
Now, since the record is before my lord,
Because
My lord, prima facie case,
believing
my lord.
the submission of the Learning Council to the
Well.
petitioner, protection was granted.
correct. Milord.
That
I
there was
agree.
nothing, but then on perusal of the record, it appears that there was an assault on the public servant
No, Milord, whether.
on duty.
No, whether.
And that is also all because they were minority at the time.
But that is fine. Kindly say one thing. Kindly let us go by the law, not by the not by the.
Now I have understood what you, I have
So,
understood
fact-
that bail granted,
Ah.
and thereafter,
One more-
if required, the IO could have, of course, then and pray for the rejection
Rejection, and this.
or yes, or raise objection, but then IO only says that on on production of the interim anticipatory bail granted, IO has already released, arrested and released, subsequently released on bail
But then, Milord,
after recording their statement.
then, Milord,
So,
then
wait a minute,
case,
sir.
Milord,
Then in that
they come
case,
for the they come for the cancellation of the bail.
in that, under the circumstances, it would be difficult under the circumstances because IO did not feel
My lord, my lord.
that they required custodial interrogation. And that is why IO has not made any prayer.
My lord. That
Or
is,
could
that
have-
is there, my lord. That is
Hmm.
the issue, my lord. Main.
Hmm.
Otherwise, I'm making a submission being the victim of this whole episode.
That I understand. What we can do, since they were granted with certain condition, the condition can be some condition can be added that
Correct,
they will appear before the IO of the case. For 1 week, they'll regularly appear before the IO of the case,
My lord,
and thereafter, agent when called for.
my lord, my lord.
Fine.
That will edit
Fine.
in the because already granted, IO had not prayed for
for
cancellation also.
My lord,
And if you thereafter, if you agree,
Right.
then no, because it appears that there are so many witnesses. Only few of them have been recorded by till now,
my lord.
and then some more witnesses are yet to be recorded. After recording, if the IO feel, no, this is not correct, and these are they have been implicated, and we need to file. They need custodial interrogation. Then can file for
That is the
the
procedure.
cancellation of
Correct,
bail.
correct procedure. That is the correct.
Okay. Mr. Pidikara, Learning Council for the petition. Also had Mr. Dealer, Learning Public Prosecutor for the state, and Mr. Siriki, Learned Council appearing on behalf of the informant assisting the people staff. By an order dated 13/2/2026. While calling for the copy of the FIR as well as the scanned copy of the scanned copy of the FIR as well as the page diary, stock status report, the petitioner was granted interim anticipatory bail, directing that in the event of his arrest, in the case of Lady Itul Vihara, he shall be released on interim anticipatory bail on execution of bail bond of rupees 50,000 with certain conditions. Start time. Yeah. Including with the condition that the accused shall cooperate and appear before the eye of the case for investigation of the aforesaid WPS case.
Two of them are
Stop.
about 60 years old.
Okay, start.
Might have can have some
Hmm.
like validity on these two old men.
Mhm. Parahan. After obtaining the interim anticipatory bill, the accused applicant appeared before the eye of the case. When they appeared,
When the bail was, the next day, my lord,
okay, on
13 years. 14.
okay, on 14th,
13 grant, 14 we appeared.
okay, on 14 to 2024. Before the eye of the case. Start. On such appearance, the IO arrested the accused in connection with the above WPS case. Comma. Recorded his readiness if Lady Harham police statement, and after completion of all formalities, the accused was released on interim anticipatory bail on the strength of the bail order dated 13 to 2026. Start. Par. The Mr. Lloyd, PP produced the case tariff. While producing the case tariff, submits that since on their appearance, the accused has already been arrested and the IU, the accused, and he is cooperating with the investigation of the case. In the status, he has not indicated that their custodial interrogation is necessary. Okay. We fairly submit that the custodial interrogation of the accused person has not been paid for by the eye of the case. In view of the above, we submit that the he fairly submits that there is no objections if the interim anticipatory bail granted to the accused is made absolute. However, with addition of certain conditions. Stop. That Mr. Key, Counsel appearing on behalf of the informant while assisting the PP submits that the victim stroke informant was along with two others were performing the public duty, and while on duty they were intercepted and assaulted by the accused. There were around 30 to 40 people. However, out of that, the victim could identify 5 names whose names are in the FIR. Stuff. And since there was an assault on the public and a servant on duty, the interrogation of the accused is necessary. The custodial interrogation of the accused is necessary, and accordingly he praised for cancellation of the bail. Stop. Mr. P.P. Tara, Learned Counsel for the petition, submits that since once the bail is, after obtaining interim anticipatory bail, the accused was arrested and subsequently he was released on bail with certain conditions. Stuff. And after and once the bail is granted, the proper procedure would be to file for cancellation of the bail. If there is no allegation of any violation of the bail condition by the accused, and therefore, once the bail is granted, the proper procedure would be to file for cancellation of bail if there had been any violation of the bail condition by the accused petitioner staff. Had Learned Counsel for the petitioner addressed by the Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of had the submission of the Learned Counsel for the parties staff and also perused the record produced by the PP staff and para. The accused by an order dated 13/2/2026, the accused was granted interim anticipatory bail with certain conditions, and in pursuant to the condition, the accused appeared before the eye of the case, who thereafter was arrested and subsequently released on bail on the strength of the interim anticipatory bail order dated 13/2/2026. The record reveals that the IO has not prayed for any custodial interrogation. Rather, it reveals that the accused, after obtaining interim anticipatory bail, is cooperating with the investigation of the case. In view of the above, it appears that the custodial interrogation, which has not been prayed for, would not be required in the instant case. The custodial interrogation of the accused applicant would not be required in the instant case. However, accordingly, this court is of the view that the benefit of the anticipatory bail can be extended to the accused applicant. Accordingly, the interim anticipatory bail granted to the accused on 13/2/2026 is thereby made absolute. However, considering that the interim bail was granted. And so however, considering that the interim bail was granted without considering the fact, no, without considering the records of the case, this court deem it necessary to add some conditions so as to enable the IO to proceed with the further investigation of the case. Accordingly, the condition imposed upon the accused applicant on 13/2/2023, apart from the condition in the earlier, would on the same condition, terms and condition, apart from the same term and condition. Okay, and here, apart from the aforesaid condition, 4 condition come, the accused applicant shall appear before the eye of the case regularly before the
Solution.
to the police.
Except for the petition of applicant number what, the 64 years.
Hmm.
And this item 11. 52 years.
No problem. They are the local, just because they are officer, they would also see they have been hurt.
I was just making a range
Ah.
around them. The parents is 62
Okay.
and 64 years old.
Hmm.
Except for these 2 people,
Uh,
rest and
The
any other condition.
accused applicant shall cooperate with the further investigation of the case and appear before the eye of the case in the police station, Sijosa police station, every day in between 10 to 11 a.m. for 7 days, and thereafter agent when called for
5 days, Saturday, Sunday.
5 days, 5 days, for 5 days from from
We have Ravi Polo to leave us, so they'll also go every.
Okay.
Then Sunday they go to church.
5 days.
Addition to this, my lord, I have some apprehension. So therefore, if one condition is also being added, they shall not communicate or threaten
Okay.
the
And
informant by any means.
okay.
Well, that means
And thereafter agent when called for and then next would be that the accused applicant shall not try to not directly or indirectly make any inducement, threat, or promise to any witnesses, witnesses, including the informants and the victims, in any manner whatsoever. Okay. With the above this, bail application stands disposed of. Okay.
Grateful.
Item number 10. So all the same, I think. 10, 11, 12, and 14. Of now code 13.
Item number 13.
May I, my lord? My lord, the leading counsel is not present today.
13.
Yes, item number
Okay.
13. Maybe fixed on 6th of March.
Lordship, difficulty is lordship. This matter was already start seated lordship. Lordship, only CD was called for, and we received the
Okay.
lordship. This may be called for lordship.
Mr.
Jairana.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Mr. D. Loy, Lana PP, at this stage submits that the case has already been charge sheeted. Therefore, a record would be necessary the scanned copy of the trial court record would be necessary for consideration of the bail, this bail application stuff. Accordingly, accordingly, call for the scanned copy of the case status stuff. And I prayed for prayed for land council for the petitioner. List this matter
Sixth, after 2 weeks.
after 2 weeks.
It's very difficult to ship, sixth
Mm.
or 13, a specific date will be convenient,
6/4
sixth or 13 or.
March.
Be it done.
6 March.
13.
Huh? 13 March.
Yes.
No problem.
No problem.
Okay. 13 March.
Deeply.
Lordship, election petition is there on item
So
16.
other will, election petition is the last item will look up. Who is, they are present?
Yes.
Okay. Election petition is the last item, okay? The rest.
Mention to item number 1 and 2. Donor.
What 1 and 2?
Item number 1 and 2, could not reach at that time, so I'm back for pardon. For item number 1 and 2, this matter may be kindly.
Maybe 2 and 3.
2 and 3.
Yes, yes, it's there only.
Tomorrow.
Not the election petition, we'll take up the last item because it's evidence. It will take, it may or it may not.
Item number 17.
Wait, please, your lordships.
Yes.
I am the petitioner in this case, my lord. Your lordship was pleased to grant interim protection and issue notice. We have taken steps. If your lordship sees office note dated 21/2, my lord, the notice has yet to be received by respondent number 2.
Lordship,
Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent number 2.
Then the
So we have filed the wakalatnama today only.
my lord,
Okay. How many respondents are there?
my lord, 2. One is the state,
Okay. Okay.
but appearance is complete, my lord. So
Yes, yes. Heard Mr. Hard Dubey, Land Council for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. D. Loy, Land Council appearing on behalf of the state respondent number 1, staff, Miss
Somila.
Somila,
Yes.
Land Council could appear on behalf of the respondent number 2 by filing wakalatnama
Today, yeah. We have
Okay.
filed.
and prays for some time to file objection if necessary. Okay, the prayer is allowed. This matter.
can it be on 16th of March, my lord?
Okay, and as prayed, as requested, list this matter on 16 March.
The interim order needs to be continued.
There is interim.
Yes, yes. There is.
The interim order pass earlier shall continue till the next day of this thing.
Deeply aware, my lords.
Item number 18.
My lord, if I may, this IA is for condonation of delay of my lord, 493 days, my lord.
What?
My lord, the accused,
Is there any private respondent?
no, my lord,
400?
93 days, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, I've gone through the petition and it is somewhere mishandled by the advocates, your advocates. And now he came later on and as a pro bono also.
Okay.
So it may be, there is appeal is a statutory right of the convict.
So,
It
no,
may be condemned. No.
Okay. this is a condemnation petition.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Mukbang Pertin, Land Council for the applicant. Also had Mr. G. Dado, Land additional PP for the state. Para. This is an application filed under section 5 of the Limitation Act, seeking condonation of delay of 493 days in preferring the connected appeal. Against the impugned judgment and sentence order dated 18/7/2024, passed by the Learned Special Judge NDPS for NDPS East Kameng District Tawang in NDPS case number 22/2023. Stop, para. The ground for delay in preferring the appeal has been explained in which paragraph?
My lord, it's explained in para number 5, 6, and 7, my lord.
5, 6, and 7 of the condemnation application. Stop. Why the delay occurred?
My lord, because of indigent condition, my lord. He is a mere driver who was ferrying vegetables from Arunachal to Assam, my lord. And he, after being convicted, his family could not afford the fees of the previous lawyer, my lord. Thereafter, the appeal was left pending. Thereafter, they have approached me, my lord.
Okay, on consideration of the explanation stated in the aforesaid paragraph, this court is satisfied that the accused was prevented by a sufficient cause in not preferring the connected appeal within the stipulated time. Stop. Para. Mr. G. Tada, the additional PP also fairly submits that has no objection to the condemnation of delay. Stop. In view of the above, the delay of 493 days in 490 days, 3 days in preferring the connected appeal is hereby allowed. Condoned. Stop. With the above this, I stands disposed of. Stop. List. List registered appeal and list for admission
Yes, and TCR may be called for.
after 2 weeks. In the appeal, we'll call for TCR.
No,
Let it be listed for admission.
My lord, there's another IA which may.
That also will be listed along with.
Much okay.
Okay.
after 2 weeks,
After 1 week or
2 weeks, or 1 week,
okay, 2 weeks. Okay.
2 weeks.
Item number 19.
My lord, similar order, my lord.
Okay, 19.
This is for continuation of delay of my lord.
Same
400
in out of same judgment.
No, same, not just same judgment, my lord.
Okay.
Another judgment,
Okay. The how many days of delay?
460, my lord, 460, my lord.
Okay, then numbers will be same. And then the day will be 460 days.
Yes, my lord.
And then a case number. Again, improved judgment and order dated 7/8/2024, passed by the Line Special Judge NDPS, East Kameng District, Tawang, in NDPS case number 21/2023. Okay. Similar order. And then the explanation also same paragraph,
Yes, my lord.
4 and 5. Okay,
3, 4.
same.
My lord, if possible, my lord, kindly on a fixed date, my lord, 5th March, if possible, my lord, 5th March. Both the matters.
Okay. Then age requested that this matter be listed on 5th March.
Much obliged, my lord.
Item number 21.
Yes, my lord, the matter is fixed for mediation. Lordship, there is no scope for settlement of the matter, so it.
No
will be
scope.
considered- Yes.
Okay. Have you explored earlier? No.
Yes,
Okay.
Lordship, we filed the suit for reduction of interest. And we have approached the respondent,
Your correspondent.
Your Lordship, I'm on behalf of Mr.
Okay, Mr.
Titoram.
Mr. G Gato,
Titoram.
Learning Council for the petitioner submits that earlier the parties explored for settlement of the matter outside the court. However, it failed. As such, there is no scope for settlement of the matter through mediation. Miss,
Your Lordship,
Appear.
Titoram has instructed me to
okay, your good name,
be Mema.
Mema Learning Council, appear on behalf of Mr. T. Dolo,
Torum.
T. Torum, Learning Council for the respondent staff. Since the parties are not ready for referring this matter before the to the mediation center, the matter be listed. Wait, this is ready for hearing?
Yes.
For hearing after 2 weeks. Okay.
Obliged.
Item number 24.
My lord, okay, the matter may be referred to mediation drive.
Okay, we can refer. You agree with that? No objection. Okay. Mr.
Omar Pangam.
Learning Council for the appellant. What is this matter? And Mr.
Abung Tarjan.
Is Tada? Spelling Tada?
Tarjan, sir. Tarzen.
Tarjan?
Tarjan, sir.
Okay. Tarjan. Learning Council appearing on behalf of the respondent. You have no objection?
No objection, sir. Sorry, actually, Your Lordship, I'm representing on behalf of D. Laji, and he's out of station. And Lordship, the service is complete.
Okay. Succession. This matter has been listed for referral to the special mediation drive, mediation for the nation staff. The Learning Council appearing for the parties submitted that the parties are willing to settle the matter through mediation. Staff, para on perusal of the records. This court finds that there is an element of settlement of the matter before the mediation. So accordingly, this matter is referred to the mediation center of the Guwahati High Court Itanagar bench for settlement through mediation. Start. The registry is directed to transmit the entire document to the mediation center. And directed to appoint one mediator and transmit the records to the center for settlement through mediation by fixing date of their appearance before the mediation center. Start. Okay. List this matter after mediation report. Okay.
Obliged.
Item number 25.
May I please, my lord, I'm extremely sorry, my lord. I've taken the permission of my elder brother, my lord. I have an emergency call, my lord. I need to move to Pasir right now, my lord. Yeah.
Okay, so
So we'll have a date, my lord.
My humble prayer is, I may start argument, you can reply, because he has to move. He has told me that he has got
Okay.
emergency call.
when do you want? When can? Next week?
But I would like to finish the matter. And you, my lord, has had little bit of, even though this is not part hard.
You better take a chance in another. I have different view. I have a different view. Otherwise, if I can hear within 5 minutes and dispose of also, I'm ready. Otherwise, if you want to take chance, and then you can take chance.
This is your opinion, my lord. I'll be able to satisfy your lordship.
I have seen. Not at this stage.
Therefore,
At this stage, it's not possible at all. There is. Okay, then in that case, record need to be called for that. Then this was only probably charge sheet or not charge sheet?
No, it isn't charged sheeted, my lord. No,
No.
we have received.
Earlier, it was not charge sheeted.
No, my lord.
So that is why I did not see the charge sheet.
No.
I see,
in the meantime, I'll get a certified copy.
but then I know the fact. I know, I have seen entire things and I've seen the provision also. It's difficult for you. What I'm saying, if you want to take chance next week,
Next week.
this week, the same opinion will come. Be sure about it. I have seen.
Hold and I'll satisfy you.
Okay. Hard Mr. Singh, Land Council for the petitioner. I've also heard Mr. Opada, Land Standing Council for ACB.
My lord.
Okay, stop. Who submits that the case has already been charge sheeted. Stop. In view of the above, let the record, trial code, scan copy of the trial code record be called for. Stop. List this matter next week.
My lord, my brother is also appearing, my lord.
Okay. Sorry, Mr. Posi.
Yes.
Posi for informant.
Yes, private respondent, number 2.
Okay. You have still objection?
No, your lordship already a charge sheet has been
You are which side? Your submission would be
informant. I am informant.
informant.
Yes, I will be in the side of the
Assisting the
Yes.
special PP.
Yes.
Okay, then please this matter next week. Okay. When you want date?
Take it then.
Even though your lordship is formed of opinion, give me some previous that I'll satisfy your lordship. Even if in the event the traffic comes, maybe go to 27. My lord, I'll satisfy your lordship.
I know the provision. I have seen the provision. Now,
Because this is a threat case.
no, anyone can lodge FIR.
Yes.
Yes.
Your point is that he has no locus.
Yes.
That I have seen. Anyone can.
And any there is.
Okay. As requested, let this matter be listed on 9th or 10th. 10th March.
Maybe
Your convenience. Otherwise, all other date he will be available. 2nd March. Okay. Okay.
Item number 16, say election petition.
But, your lordship will give me a just for a minute, your lordship.
What is this? Okay.
Lord, what happened? My friend
16?
No.
No,
Your lordship has permitted for an unlisted bail application, Lord.
Okay.
My friend appears on the other side. He has some difficulty. So
Okay.
only since he's
Okay.
present,
Unlisted bail?
it's coming, Lord. Only since my learned friend has some urgency. Lord, I am not praying for any interim or not only for fixing for case
We'll
diary.
call for the case diary then?
Third.
Okay.
My friend would be.
Then in that, okay. So
my-
as and when the matter comes,
Yes.
I've heard him.
Yes.
So we'll call for your presence will be recorded. We'll
My
call
lord.
for the record.
Yes.
My lord.
Case diary, okay?
Yes.
My lord.
So as and when it
My
comes, so you just.
I'm sure.
place. Okay.
Obliged.
Let.
Item number 16,
Not required, not required.